Okay, looks like I'm all set up. I have my safety glasses on, I have my product, I have a orbital sander, my flux core welder, power source, wire wheel, gloves. So what I'm going to do first is to take this wire wheel or orbital sander and go and clean this metal up, because I know that I cannot weld anything if this metal is dirty. So let me see what I can do with that. I have no idea where my tripod is. I have 3 of them, but anyway, let's just get started. Okay, it doesn't fit nearly as tight as I want it to. Right here, I need to take a file and file that down, and then hopefully it'll put in a little bit up here, and hopefully that'll come back in tight. So let me do a little filing and see what happens. Okay, that seems to have taken care of the gap. Just a little bit of filing. So I'm going to put a couple welds in here and see if I still have that skill. Stand by. Well, that was the first attempt, and that looks like crap. So I think I'm going to do something different. I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece back off, and I'm going to get a piece like this, and it's going to be down here like this. Then it's going to go up and fold over like this. I think that's going to give me a better angle on what to work with. And yeah, because it's on there, but it just looks like crap. And plus, whenever I trim this piece of metal up, look what I did. Look at that gap. I don't know if I can fill that gap in or not. I probably could, because technically that's kind of the way it's supposed to be. Or not gapped like that, but that piece of metal is supposed to be right there. So yeah, I think I'm just going to cut this off and try this again. Ugh. Okay, I decided not to cut this metal off because it melted all the way through. It's not the prettiest weld in the world. Wouldn't win any awards for sure. So I just trimmed down the piece that was here and tacked that into place. But look at this. I don't understand what it is that I'm doing wrong. I went all the way through and I got good penetration. But what about these bubbles? I don't like these bubbles. I put the wire speed faster. I put the wire speed slower. I put the amperage minimum. Then I put it at maximum. And I just can't figure out what I'm doing wrong. Now, if I took a piece of this metal and laid it down and put a bead on it, it would work no problem. So is it that I'm going, it's not that I'm going too slow or too fast, because all I'm doing is going bzzz, bzzz, bzzz. What is it that I'm doing wrong that makes these bubbles like this? Do I need to break down and buy a gas shielded welder? Or could I go to get a brazing torch and braze all of this metal? Because it's not going to be anything for a show winner, and it's all going to be painted over anyway. Just any ideas that anybody has of what I can do, please let me know. But for right now, I'm going to cut off this recording. I'm going to go find something else to do some more research on this welder. But for right now, be good to yourself, be nice to each other, and I'll see you later on today. Bye.